Good day everyone, my name is Ruslan and guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I hope you guys are good. I hope everything is fine. And today is part 3 of our steel truss designs. Right, today we're going to be making a beautiful entrance gate or sort of a passing gate for this toll plaza tax section. All right, so there's a reference image that I have seen, and look at how beautiful this is, guys. So we are going to be making this system inside Revit today, and our one is going to be a bit different. It's going to be glass from both the sides. So let's quickly get started. It's going to be fun. All right, so this is what we are going to be making. This is that toll plaza, that tax plaza that I've made. So these are mostly when you're entering motorways or highways, you have to pass through this section and you have to pay the toll tax. All right, so I'm sure you guys must have seen it in many places. So let's go to curtain pattern based template, and let's first of all make the family. Right, so let's go to this, let's go to millimeters, let's go to 2, let's go to this. All right, and the size of this is going to be I've decided 1 meter by 1 meter. All right, in your case you can be it can even be different in your case, as long as your concept is clear. After that, let's go to the points, let's go to the face, let's go to the set right here. Let's no, that is the wrong section. So set, and let's set it again. Okay, this is the one that I set it. After that, let's set this point, and let's paste this point. Let's set this point, and let's paste this point, and let's set this point, and let's paste this point, and let's click on that. Let's go to MD, let's click on that, let's go to filter, let's go to check none, let's go to reference points, let's press OK, and let's change this into a controllable parameter. So this is going to be the offset 4 points. Perfect. After that, let's press OK, and let's press OK, and let's check on this. Excuse me, and excuse me guys for my sore throat. After that, let's give it a 1 meter offset, and check this out. All right, very easy. I hope you guys are following. I'm speaking very fastly because I want my videos to be small, and there's a lot of work. All right, so reference plane, activate 3D, and let's first of all make this. All right, so let's make our initial frame, and okay, once that is done, so to the top and exactly in the middle. Right, to the top and the middle when that triangle appears in the middle, and paste, and in the middle, and paste. All right, so check this out, guys. Our frame is already made, and a very easy workflow, nothing very hard to understand. After that, let's go to the point, let's go to draw and face, let's paste it right here. Let's go to the circle, let's go to draw on work plane, let's go to set, let's click on that, and let's set this to what? To 50 mm, and let's click on this circle, let's click on this point right here, let's copy it, and let's activate multiple, and 1 and 2. Perfect. All right, let's click on this point, let's go to pick new host, and let's pick this host, and let's click on the middle point again, and let's pick new host, and let's pick new host. All right, check this out. So nothing very hard to understand, and for these ones, for example, if we set this to 50, how about we set this to 30? We want them kind of a bit small. After that, let's click on this, and let's click on this, let's click on this point right here, let's click on this point right here, and let's go to create forms, and let's click on that, and let's make our glass. Right, so the thickness of the glass is going to be not 10 meters, oh my god, 10 millimeters, and for the materials, let's change it into a controllable parameter. So this is going to be GLASS, and okay guys, I hope you guys are following. All right, I hope you're following. I'm speaking very fast because there's a lot of work to do, and I want my videos to be small overall. So this again is going to be the same thing, so make sure you follow. Right, and if you, for example, cannot follow, then make sure you pause the video. So glass again. All right, nothing very hard. So this is what we have. Both of them are going to be glass, and we can even quickly change this. For example, if you go to this, if we go to the materials, and come on, and this is going to be what the hell, let's click GLASS, and down. I'm in a mood for some blue, guys. All right, I don't know why. Let's press OK. Check this out. So after that, once that is done, let's click on this, and the bottom one, let's make it. Let's click, and right here, and let's tab, and let's select this, and let's change this into another parameter. So this is going to be the CHROME chrome, and type, and let's go to family, and for the material, I don't know why I love chrome, CHROME. The shiny chromes, all right, they really look nice. I don't know why. This one right here, shiny chrome plated. All right, this is the one that we want. Press OK, check this out. So even that material got, for example, if you go to the realistic, and it got converted into a chrome. If you go back to our header lines, perfect. After that, let's click on this point right here, and 1, and the bottom ones. All right, make sure you select the bottom ones, 2, and 3 right here, and it's the same workflow, and tap to select that, and the parameter is going to be right here, which is going to be the chrome, and perfect, and click this circle. So click these 8 lines, and I selected the profile, remember guys, and check this out. After that, let's click on this, and let's go to the same chrome material, and our family is complete. Right, so very easy workflow, nothing very hard. Let's quickly load it in. Okay, so now the family is loaded in. Now make sure you follow along, right? First of all, let's go to level 1 right here. Let's make a sort of a starting reference plane. So this is the one that's already made. Let's name it something different. Let's go to our 3D view. Let's go to close and active views, and let's go to our south right here. Fine, this is our south. Let's go to our massing inside. Let's go to our in place mass. Let's go to mass number 1. All right, let's go to reference. Let's go to pick a plane. We are going to pick up the reference plane, the starting point. We are going to go to spline right here. It's going to be drawn work plane, and oh my god, I'm speaking so fast. After that, so this is where we start sketching, guys. So 2 right here, 3 right here, and how about 4 right here? I think that's enough. After that, let's bring it to this point, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 right here. This is the profile. It kind of, it can even be different in you guys case. For example, let's bring this to the left a little bit, and I think this is enough, right? This is what we have. After that, let's go to the 3D view, and let's close all inactive views, and the next thing is let's go to the top right here, and let's go to the top. So this is it, right? Let's go to the reference, and let's go to circle, and let's draw a work plane, and let's make this. So there are 2 you could say poles right here, if you guys noticed in our reference image. So let's let's make our poles, right? So for example, this one right here, I think this would be it, and the same case, so 300 mm, right? So the first thing is let's go to our 3D view, and let's create the void. Fine, and the height of the void would be according to a reference plane. So for example, this one right here, and perfect, that this is going to be a void, and fine, you know what, we are going to make that later on. After that, let's go to the top view again. Let's try to zoom in, and let's click on that. Let's go to copy, let's select that, and let's paste it right here. Let's go to modify, let's go to 3D view to check this out. After that, let's go to perfect, right? Both of them are done. Let's go to this, and let's make it. Let's go to this, let's go to unlock, and let's try to select this one right here. Let's go to the right direction, and let's zoom it in till the full extent. Fine, perfect. Alright, so this is what we have. This is what our profile is going to be. After that, let's click on that. Although I should have skipped this part, but then the video is although going to get longer, but it's going to be incomplete. For example, this point right here. Alright, let's go to the right direction. Right, and let's try to bring it to this point. And perfect, check this out. So this is what we have. Alright, and let's go to the top right here. And the first thing is the voids. Alright, so cut from this void to this, and from this void to this. So these circles are up here, it means they're cut, and then cut from this void to this, and from this void to this, and from this void to this. So it is cut, right? Okay, that void is not passing that one, that is a problem, but that's fine, right? So once that is cut, and after that, let's try to make our profile. So check this out. Once you press tab, let's press tab again, and this is the one. Alright, so now we are going to have voids with the circles in between. We're going to have a pattern with the voids in between. After that, let's go to the fixed distance. Excuse me, oh my god, I'm so sorry. After that, let's go to the fixed distance again, and it's going to be same according to our other profile, 1 meters, and 1 meter, 1 meter apply, and let's click on this point, and let's go to this, and down, family 1. And check this out, guys. So our beautiful truss system is already made. Look at how beautiful this is. And now let's try to zoom in a little bit. And this is a circle, right? Let's go to create form. Let's create a solid body out of this, and let's click on this point right here. Let's go to our front, and these are the 2 steel poles. All right, the steel poles. For example, if you go to the top, so this is the steel pole I was telling you guys about. We can even make it pointed in the end, but again the video is going to be so long. So let's make it 1700, and not 1700, 17 meters, 17,000. Fine. So it means that after that the same case is going to be for for this one right here, and let's go to create body, and let's go to this one right here. So this is again gonna be 17 meters, and let's press OK, and check this out, guys. So now let's click on the body right here. Let's go to the materials right here, and let's go for chrome again, chrome, and it's gonna be this one, chrome, and the same case is gonna be the body for that one. So yes, this is it. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, and guys, this is it. All right, so this is our beautiful steel truss system, and I'm going to do the same thing for the other one too, in order to save some time, and we're going to be back. Alright guys, and check this out. So our truss system is complete. Alright, and I did the exact same steps for the other one also, so nothing very special. It was kind of a repetition from the other one, but anyways, this is the final result. Alright, so look at how beautiful this is. And this is the toll plaza truss system. We have our voids, and that is converted into chrome bars. Alright, so this is it. This would be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something from this today. Right, I'm going to include the final rendered images in the end, and take care of yourself. Have a good day, and bye bye.